Let's make the best apple tart with this amazing tart pen I bought on TikTok shop. Let's step on the gas, let's go! First, let's make our tart crust. Add 1.5 cup AP flour to your food processor, 3 tablespoons sugar, a pinch of salt, blend. Half cup cold butter, blend. Add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Blend till you form a dough, just like so. Add your dough to your removable tart pan. Press it down until it covers the whole entire pan. Just like so. Don't forget to refrigerate your dough for 30 minutes. Let's go! Now let's slice our apples. Add your sliced apple to a bowl. Half cup sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon powder, the juice of half lemon. Mix well and add it to your tart pan. Add on some butter cube, sugar, cinnamon powder. Bake at 350 for 1 hour. Ready, let it cool down, slice and enjoy. Wow, this is bossingly bossing.